pretty hot out here too. There we go. That's a good one. He came out to get that. We'll net this one, just in case. Woo! Good bite. Look at that. Slung the frog out. That was smart of me to net this guy. Alright, there we go. You ready? There we go. There we go. He saw that and he came out to get it. Alright. Now, second one of the day. Much better fish. Yeah, he saw that, he came out to get it. Nice. It's a solid fish. Like a what? Pound and a half. Let him go. Off he goes. Off into the abyss. Who knows where he went. Alright, that's two. Let's keep it rolling.